Start by aligning hitch holder with holes in truck bed pocket. Then finger tighten nylock flange nuts onto carriage bolts. Now align adjustable bracket on exterior of truck bed pocket. Then finger tighten nylock flange nuts onto carriage bolts. Next, fully tighten nylock flange nuts, securing hitch holder to truck bed pocket. Mark hole locations for adjustable bracket. Then drill 1/4-inch holes at marked locations and fully secure adjustable bracket with self-threading flange bolts. Now align adjustable bracket so bed pocket is flush at wheel well and fully tighten nylock flange nuts. Select best of 3 holes on wheel well and mark location. Next, drill 1/4-inch hole at marked location and fully secure self-threading flange bolt. If possible, secure self-threading flange bolts with serrated flange nuts.